Hello everybody. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your problems on Google Meet. To know how to fix or how to solve your problems on Google Meet, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you'll enter to Google Meet. After that you'll enter to first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.